In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Rainmeter on Windows 11. Check my video description for this Rainmeter download link. Select the download option. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the application and install. Once the installation done, select finish and unload these default skins. Just right click and select unload skin. And now check my video description for the same site link. Scroll down. Choose the Rainmeter skin you like. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install the clock Rainmeter. This is the one I'm gonna install. Here you can able to see over 795 skins for Rainmeter. You can choose the one you like. Scroll down and select the download option. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on this Rainmeter shadow clock skin and make sure everything is checked in here and select install. We have successfully installed the Rainmeter. Just so drag it to wherever you want. If you want to unload skin, just right click, select the unload skin option, and you can reopen it just going to Rainmeter. Click on the system tray and select right click and select manage. Here you can able to see shadow clock, the one we added, clock expand, and choose the INI file and select the load option. It successfully loads. Here you can able to see unload option. You can load and unload in here as well.